I know you heard about Kentucky Fried Chicken, but have you heard about Kentucky Fried Turkey? You hear me?
Oh yeah, it's time to level up your deep fried turkey game. Tell Uncle Junior and them not to bring no more dead ass deep fried turkeys to no more events, you hear me? We gonna do it like this. We gonna brine first. We gonna brine with dark brown sugar, apple cider, kosher salt, black peppercorns, maple syrup, allspice berries, Sichuan peppercorns, and some fresh garlic. I also like to put in some rosemary and thyme, bringing this gallon of water to a strong boil. I want this junk rolling, you hear me? Then once it get to a boil, we're gonna cool it all the way down. Throw a gallon of ice in there so it can be ice cold, because we want the brine to really penetrate the turkey. And the only way it's gonna do that if it's real cold. So you're gonna throw that in the refrigerator. You can take it outdoors and throw it in a cooler with a whole bunch of ice. Either way, it's gonna work as long as it's ice cold. Now we're gonna soak this bird for 12 to 24 hours. I know it sounds like a long time, but that's what you want. You want that flavor to really penetrate into that bird meat. And once we get through brining it, we're gonna rinse all that off and throw it in some buttermilk for 4 to 6 hours. That's gonna make it even more tender, because we want tender, juicy bird. And the star of the show is 11 herbs and spices. I got this off the little piece of paper that Colonel Sanders had when he had first made the recipe. I got that junk, and you got it too, you hear me? All you gotta do is look in the description box and get these 11 herbs and spices so you can make your deep fried turkey so fire. And your dredge look just like this, you hear me? This dredge is nice and dark. You can tell it's flavor. Flavor all up in the flavor all up in there, you hear me? Hey, 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 hey. Look at that turkey, 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 look at that turkey. Woo, y'all thought that boy finna rap, wasn't it? No. But check this out though. We putting dredge all on this turkey. Get it all in nooks and crannies. Take your time and put it on there good. You know, I don't rush nothing. I take my time with all my food. I take all day. It gotta be right though. This we want right, not no wrong. You hear me? Swirl around that oil a little bit, swirl that thing, then drop that joint like a booger. You wanna fry it just for color. You're not trying to cook it all the way through. We're gonna put it in the oven like this right here. So you're gonna finish it in the oven so you can preserve that gorgeous brown color right there. And you're gonna cook it all the way to a internal temp of 165 for the white meat and 175 for the dark meat. And after all that, you're gonna have delicious Kentucky Fried Turkey, you hear me? You ain't never had that before, but you can now, because I done showed you. Show off to all your friends and family. They just gonna be slick hating because it's gonna be so fast. It's ridiculous. And another star of my video is my baby lady. Yeah, look at her, so pretty. Look at her hair so fast. Ooh.
How you love that? I know you want it, you heard me. Kentucky Fried Turkey. The recipe is in the description box below the video. Don't forget to follow me, Kanin Cuisine, at kanin.cuisine on Instagram as well. You hear me? I appreciate y'all watching my video. I hope this video blesses you to death. You hear me? Many more movies and videos to come. You heard me?